Hi guys, here is BLC. Tonight I will test car media player 10.1-inch doubling for universal Android 8.0. Okay, here is box. Let us check whole weight. Okay, you can check the 3.55 kilogram. Okay, let me check this box. You can check. This is remote control. Okay, microphone, ISO harness, GPS antenna, camera in. Okay. Audio cable, USB cable, two USB cable and the microphone. This the mic and this audio cable. Connect back to head unit. Check this box for head unit. This one. Sorry. Okay, this is drying agent. Here is two screw. You need to take out the screw before installing. It's fixed to the DVD. You can check the size, doubling, back, okay, this head unit can adjust the touch screen. You can check. Here is USB port, and the DVD slot. It's GPS reset SD card. This can adjust the screen. You can check. Okay. This adapter power adapter, AC adapter. It out the 12 voltage, output 12 voltage. Okay. And connect the ISO cable. You need to cut this ISO levitate cable. This for audio. Cut speaker. Connect. This is 12 voltage. Red white 12 voltage. It's yellow white 12 voltage. It's GND ground. And this wire is for connect button color. This K2 and K1 for steering wheel control. K2 and K1. Okay, this for AMP connect AMP blue wire. Okay, let me test. You need to connect this together, and also need power the button color wire, change original wire. You can connect original wire, red wire, and the yellow wire together. Connect this wire. Cover with tape. Okay. And you have to connect GND, this black one, and connect this black. Connect the GND. Also cover with the tape. Okay, let me check GND wire. Black wire is GND, this red wire, yellow wire, original wire connect together with the red wire, 12 voltage. Okay. This for power connector. You can connect the power GPS, radio ports. This connect the audio Wi-Fi antenna, GPS. Okay. Okay, let me change the other. Okay, it's powered. Button lights on. You can change the car logo. Okay. Sorry. The cable connect not real. Let me check again. Okay. I will power again. You can change this logo. Okay, this interface I already installed the car launcher. You also can change this. Let me check the Android version. Find the settings. You can check this model PX5 rock chip Android 8.0 lollipop. You also can test this hardware. Okay, you can check rock chip PX5 and the Android version is 8.0. Okay, thank you.